You know that button. We've all seen it 1,000 times, that little bit of magic that lets you log into a brand new website with just a single click. Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain and see exactly how that works and what powerful technology is making it all happen. But first, let's start with a problem that I guarantee every single one of us deals with, the absolute total nightmare of just trying to manage all our passwords. No, seriously. Take a second. How many do you actually have? 10? 20? Probably more like 50, right? It is a huge mental load, and it leads to some really frustrating moments.
We have all been here. You're just trying to sign up for something simple, and boom, you get hit with rule number 1. Okay, I can handle that. And then come the next 2 requirements. So now that simple password you had in your head is turning into this complex code that, let's be honest, you're probably going to forget in about 5 minutes anyway.
And then it just gets completely absurd. It feels like you literally need a mythical creature just to create a secure login. This whole mess is exactly the problem that needed a much, much better solution.
And thankfully, that solution is already here. It's elegant, it's simple, and it's something you probably use every single day without even giving it a second thought.
It's these buttons. Log in with Google. Log in with Apple. They are the simple, clean answer to all that password chaos we were just talking about. They give you a single, trusted front door to your entire digital world.
So what is this magic anyway? Well, it actually has a name. The technology working quietly behind the scenes is called OpenID Connect. And what's really cool is how simple the core idea is. OpenID Connect is basically just a set of rules. Think of it like a shared language that lets an app, say eBay, talk to a trusted identity provider like Google to confirm that you are who you say you are. Simple as that.
Now, to really wrap your head around this, the absolute best way to think about it is to imagine it as your digital passport. I promise, this analogy makes everything just click.
Okay, check this out. On the left, you've got the real world. You're a traveler. The passport office is the official group that proves who you are. And a foreign country trusts that passport, right? They don't need to do their own background check on you. Now look at the right side. In the digital world, you're the user. Your identity provider, like Google or Apple, is that trusted passport office. And the website you want to get into? That's the foreign country that trusts your digital passport completely.
So here's the key takeaway. 1. Super secure, trusted company vouches for you. This means that hundreds of other websites don't have to take on the huge risk and responsibility of proving who you are and keeping your info safe. The whole system is just built on trust.
So how does this digital passport actually get shown and checked?
Well, it all happens in this lightning-fast, super secure, 4-step handshake that's over in just a couple of seconds.
So this whole handshake is kind of like a carefully choreographed dance between 3 main players. You've got you, the user, you've got the client app, that's the website you want to get into, and you have the OpenID provider, our digital passport office like Google. Let's walk through how they all talk to each other.
So it all kicks off the second you click that Login with Google button. The website doesn't even ask for your password. Instead, it just sends you straight over to Google. It's basically saying, hey Google, can you do me a favor and check if this person is legit?
Next, you land on Google's login page. You know this page, you trust this page. This is a secure fortress. You put your password in here. Then, Google will ask you, hey, are you cool with sharing your basic info, like your name and email, with that other website?
And this is where you take control. You log in, proving it's you, and then you click Allow, giving your permission for that information to be shared. The important thing is, you are always in the driver's seat.
So once you hit Approve, Google instantly sends you right back to the website you started at. But here's the cool part. You're not coming back empty-handed. You're carrying a secure digital token. Think of it like a perfectly signed and sealed passport stamp that tells the website, yep, verified by Google, this person's good to go. And boom, just like that, you're logged in.
So why has this become the standard? Why does this whole system work so darn well? It's because it is a massive win for literally everyone involved. Let's break down those wins. For you and me, the benefits are obvious, right? Way fewer passwords to remember and way better security. Because your main password, your really important one, is only stored with a major player like Google, not on 100 different websites that could get hacked. And for the apps, it's a huge weight off their shoulders. They don't have to deal with the risk of storing passwords, and they get a reliable, standard system that just works.
And this all brings us to one final really important thought. OpenID Connect makes our digital lives so much simpler.
by giving us a single, powerful key. So the big question we're left with is this. If one key unlocks pretty much everything, what's the best way to protect that one single master key? Something to think about next time you click that login button.